Hey FastCap builders, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the router fence and the shelf that goes with the FlexBench module. Make sure you do a dry fit with all of the pieces for the router fence before you put any glue or staples in. You don't want to have to explain to your significant other on date night why you have glue all over your shirt and hands and table and everywhere else. So make sure you do a nice dry fit. Once you like the way it fits, it's tight, you can put glue on it, put some staples in, clean it up, and get it ready to mount onto your new FlexBench module. Now, if you'll remember, before we assembled the module, we hammered in 2 T-nuts on the bottom side. Those T-nuts are critical because that is what your FlexBench router fence will attach to. So now take your fence, take the T-nuts, put it on. Now, to assemble the bench shelf, it's really simple. You just take the shelf, put the spine in it, glue it, staple it. Now take those 2 hooks that you've been wondering what to do with the whole time, the ones that have been sitting over there on the side. Take them, tap them in with a mallet, place your shelf on. You might need a little bit of tapping to fine tune it, and you're ready to go.